Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the 2024 Kia Stonic, and let me tell you, this little SUV has some surprises up its sleeve. Is it the game-changer Kia hopes it to be in the crowded small SUV segment? Let's find out! First impressions? The Stonic takes the bones of Kia's old Rio hatchback and dresses them up in chunky SUV clothing. While it might not turn heads like some of its rivals, it's got that urban crossover vibe that buyers are craving these days. Pop the hood, and you'll find one of two 1-liter turbo engines. The base version kicks out a modest 99 horsepower, but the one you really want is the clever mild hybrid variant with 118 horses. This peppier power plant does 0 to 62 in 10.4 seconds, and that electric boost really helps when you're crawling through city traffic. Plus, it sips fuel like a bird, which your wallet will definitely appreciate. Now here's something interesting. The Stonic is actually pretty fun to throw around corners. The suspension is on the firmer side, which means it stays surprisingly flat when you're carving through those back roads. The steering is precise, and it feels more like a hot hatch than a high-riding SUV. But, and it's a notable but, that sporty handling comes at a price. You'll feel pretty much every bump and crack in the road, and highway drives can get a bit noisy. Slide behind the wheel, and you might be surprised by the driving position. Unlike most SUVs that give you that commanding view of the road, the Stonic sits you surprisingly low. It's like Kia couldn't quite decide if it was making an SUV or a hatchback. The 8-inch touchscreen is a breeze to use though, and it comes with all the smartphone connectivity you'd expect. But here's where things get a bit tricky. If you're looking for a family-friendly SUV, you might want to think twice. The 352-liter boot is, well, let's just say you'll need to pack light for those family road trips. And if you've got teenagers or tall friends, they might not thank you for putting them in the back seats. Legroom is pretty tight back there. That said, Kia hasn't skimped on the goodies. Even the base 2 trim comes loaded with features like rear parking sensors, cruise control, and automatic headlights. Step up to the GT line, and you'll get those sharp LED headlights in sportier styling. Safety? You're covered with automatic emergency braking and lane keeping assist as standard. And let's not forget about that warranty. 7 years of coverage is nothing to sneeze at. Though I should mention the Stonic's reliability scores haven't been stellar, so that warranty might come in handy. So what's the verdict? The Kia Stonic is a bit of a mixed bag. It's fun to drive, well equipped, and that mild hybrid engine is a clever piece of kit. But with its tight interior space and firm ride, it feels like Kia might have missed the mark on what most small SUV buyers are really looking for. If you prioritize driving dynamics and don't need tons of space, the Stonic could be your cup of tea. But if you're after the most practical small SUV out there, you might want to check out alternatives like the Ford Puma or Skoda Kamiq. What do you think about the Stonic? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful. Until next time, keep those wheels turning. Remember to like and subscribe for more car reviews like this one. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.